Guys, and welcome to your daily predictions. I am hopeful that you've seen the predictions for 23rd. I'm hopeful that your Rakhi was very good, and if you've not seen the prediction for 23rd, do watch it, because I think there are some important messages there because of the changes that might occur today in your mindset, in your thoughts, and otherwise the feeling that you might have. All of those things might just make you think a little different or feel a little like at loss or at not at power, but then the things are going to change. So do watch that video of 23rd of daily predictions of 23rd of August, and let's see. The energy of 24th is very amazing, because the first card that I got is 8 of keys, and if you see, there is a person who's giving keys to this one. So, and this person is somebody who works with his skills. So there are like teapots, and there are cups here, and these guys are working on this. This looks like a big workshop, and there is like the door to that shop there, where there's this one person standing, and everything is kept on the shelves, and there's this one person working here, this one person is working here, but out of all the three, the key is given to this one. And if you see how he's taking the key, with both the hands, like he was always waiting for it, and it is something very precious, or it's something that's very beautiful, right? So this key looks like coins or something very valuable coming into his hands. And this card says the master artisans, 8 of keys. So basically, in a way, there is a possibility where you get the reward for what you've done so far. You get the get the energy of everything that you've done so far, get the energy exchange for everything that you've done so far. You get a gift of your hard work, and there is some kind of gain, some kind of new opening up that I see happening in today's energy. Keys are usually they open locks, right? They open something that has been closed for years, that has been closed for days, or that has been closed for months. So 8 of keys, basically, if you're getting a key to something, that means that you're getting a new beginning, or there is something new that is coming into your life, or you're opening up something new. Now, out of these three, he's giving it to only this one, which means you deserve it, and you've done all the hard work that you were supposed to for this. So this could be a new opening up in your life. This could be a new job. This could be a new work. This could be a new study. This could be a new relationship. This could be anything where you put your heart and soul, where you put in your work, and now you're getting the result of that work. So those coins or those keys or those valuable things are actually coming to your way. So basically, some kind of reward might come today towards you, and you are the one who actually deserves this. So just believe in yourself and take it in the most positive way that you can. The second card that I have is 7 of keys, and this is the ascent. And if you see, this person has actually gone up to the hill, and he's actually reached that hill. There's a bag with him. You can see something like a lever here, and when we have to blast something, we have that lever, right? There are milestones here. So there are different milestones that this person has achieved while reaching here. From here, he's actually taking a overview of everything around him, and then probably he'll take a decision where the blast needs to happen, where the thing where he has to go, what he has to do. He's also kept this if you see, this rope is kept here for other people who can come up to him. So this card very clearly indicates that there is a possibility where you achieve something. You reach a stage where you are able to see everything very clearly. There is a sun also that is shining here. So you reach a stage where you're able to see everything very clearly. The clouds get clearer, the sky gets clearer, and you're going to make a mark that will help others also reach there. And on the journey, there will be a lot of milestones that you must have achieved, but you're carrying what you need with you, and you have the ability to actually make that blast also wherever needed, because he has kind of, if you see, there are some tools that this person is carrying. There is a hammer here, so, and there is still a bag here. So this person is so you have everything that you need, and wherever you need to do whatever, you are able to do that, and you have the ability. You've created some milestones. Do look at your milestones. You've created a way for other people, and just today, just ensure that you believe in yourself. You see that achievement, you look at that achievement, and you move forward with that. The third card card that I have is the Scribe. This is kind of a hanged man card. But if you see, there are people who are writing something here. There are 3 people who are writing something here. There are scrolls that are put here. Some are tied up, some are not. There is this person who seems to be like an expert who's writing something here. This is a library. A lot of people are working together on creating something. A lot of people are working together on creating a script, creating a story, or creating a reality. So there are a lot of people who are working on creating something, and that has been happening from probably years of knowledge or years of hard work, that they are finally creating something. Now this could mean that, one, there is a possibility for you to pick up any further study. Second, there is a possibility for you to get some guidance. Third, if you have any kind of legal matter, you might just get an expert opinion, or you can be an expert into something. So some kind of messages, some kind of learning, some kind of positivity, some kind of a new learning is coming your way. And if you're a student, there is a possibility that something that you've been working for, or something that you've been planning to study, you get to begin that. This is a card of study. This is the card of balance. This is the card of learning. This is the card of guidance. This is the card of finding your inner knowledge and then putting it across for other people. So this is passing on your knowledge as well. So whatever achievement, like I said, that you're creating a rope here so that more people can come and reach you, right? So that is why whatever your hard work is, whatever your keys are, whatever your money or the reward that you're getting, that's going to reach you to new heights, and from there is a new learning, there is a new beginning that starts for you. And then there's a card 5 of Roses. That's the garden. And if you see here, this small little girl has a glass, and she's looking at the butterfly very, very carefully, like she's observing it, she's studying the butterfly. There's this small little child here, and he has I forgot what this is called, but he can actually hit anything with this. So he has that in his hands, and this looks like you can have multiple ways of living life. You can have multiple ways of enjoying. You can have multiple ways of looking at things. You can target at things. You can actually look at things and you can target them, or you can actually look at everything and observe it very clearly. On the second note, there could be a possibility where she's studying it and somebody is protecting her so that no birds can kind of take away the butterfly or harm her or the butterfly. So it's like a protection. So just ensure that you spend some time with your inner child today, and you spend some time doing something that you really, really love doing, or you loved doing as a child, and you observe the things around you. You observe the things around you, see the growth around you, see the nature around you, see the love around you, see the see the natural the butterflies, the natural things around you, and at the same time know that you're safe, you're secure, you're being taken care of. So both ways, this is actually a very, very positive and good card of healing or connecting with your inner child. Then I took out a card from this is Akashic Tarot. Then I took out a card from Gita Tarot, and the card that I got is Best of Yogis. And if you see, this is a card where Shri Krishna actually kind of held the Govardhan Parvat, the mountain, on his little finger and gave shelter to everyone, right? So when divine comes and divine intervenes, there is no power that is greater than divine, and divine can actually protect you or do anything. But these people you have to have faith in divine, because when divine moves something, it is very, very powerful. And this is Best of Yogis, and this card says, of all yogis, the one who is filled with faith, his entire being given over to me, is the most intimately united with me and is the best of all. So basically, when you give faith, when you have complete faith, you can actually move mountains. Anything is possible. Any miracle is possible when you have faith, and that is very, very important. Having faith in what you do, what you want, what you think is very, very important. And with faith, when you move forward, the mountains are moved for you. Anything you can achieve. And exactly here, you are reaching there, you are getting the help, you have your inner child, you are protected, you're getting the gain for something that you've been doing so far. Just have faith. That's the best, the most important thing. Then I took out cards from the Atlantis cards. Atlantis cards got, again, they gave very beautiful cards, because the first card came is nourishment, and it says that nourish your body and prepare yourself for the future. Your guidance is to watch what you eat, and your physical body must be pure, enable you to carry more light for the pathway ahead. Simple, fresh, locally grown produce is the most effective in enhancing your cosmic energy. Eat slowly and appreciate the taste, texture, and smell. Remember to bless all your food and drink. Prepare your body for the work ahead. So there is a lot of work that is coming your way ahead. Prepare yourself for it, nourish everything, and nurture yourself, and bless everything that you eat. The second card is love of animals, and this card very clearly says that if you're drawn this card, your guidance is to connect with an animal today. Consider what you are learning from it, and maintain an attitude of harmlessness as you telepathically offer greetings. Stay open for a response, a message, or a sense of connection, for an animal wishes to communicate something that will help you. Learn from animals and practice harmlessness. So absolutely, you have to connect with animals, and you might have some messages that will come your way from telepathy. The third card is again very, very beautiful, the Temple of Poseidon, and this card basically says, this card indicates that it is a time for new beginnings. Maybe a new concept, idea, or pathway will be presented to you at the much higher level than anything you have previously considered. Therefore, it is suggested that you review every aspect of your life from a higher perspective. Be aware that people will look to you for guidance. So you are called on to act and speak selflessly and with the utmost integrity. Be the guiding light for others. So you are going to be the guiding light, and believe in yourself, and yes, be ready for this new beginning. The next card that I got is the Great Crystal, and again, this is a very beautiful card. This says that you look at the source of your inner power. Do not underestimate yourself. Every thought, word, and action radiates an energy that affects others and draws situation and people to you. Make sure your aims are for the highest good. Great current of energy will emanate from you, enabling you to be the power generator to help the world. Use your power for the highest good. All the cards are saying the same thing, that if you have faith, if you believe in yourself, if you nurture yourself, if you love the people and animal, and if you actually have complete faith, you will see everything happening. Now, in this card, if you see, this is a female who's actually drawing a picture of this child here. There is a dog here, but actually when she's drawing, she's drawn her own inner child as well. She's drawn her own inner self as well, the inner child card that we saw here. And this card says creative expression, and this says your guidance is to do or make something creative. However you express this, you are called on to channel your divine energy into the unique, beautiful, harmonious, and original. Take this opportunity to develop all your senses, create something unique and satisfying. And not necessarily you have to draw. It's just that you can actually spend some time with animals, spend some time with nature, believe in yourself, connect with your inner self. You can do anything, but just something that makes you feel different. And the last card, I was thinking that should I take out cards from unicorn or not? And while I was thinking that, I got a unicorn card, and this basically says that if you draw this card, the unicorn wish to connect with you. Find time to be quiet, preferably out in nature. Think about them and allow them to touch you with the qualities of dignity, love, beauty, and grace. They may offer you healing or reconnect you to your soul essence. Remain open to a message from them today. Be prepared for unicorn energy to touch you. So definitely unicorn energy is going to be touching you today, and unicorns are very, very beautiful. They are very amazing. They are the natural messengers. They are the guides. They are the angels. So be ready for a unicorn to touch you, because that energy can actually come your way today. And I did take out cards for unicorn from unicorn messages to just see what are the messages. The first message is silence, and this says be still, for the answers lie in silence. So you have to spend some time with yourself, and there are butterflies here. So there's transformation. There's a book here also, and there is a mobile phone kept away. So keep your mobile phone away for a while. The second card is aspiration, and it says you are unlimited. So aim for the stars, and yes, you have unlimited ability, unlimited potential. So aim for, have faith. That's what the cards are saying, that if you have faith, you can move the mountain. So have faith for anything that you want to create in your life, and be surprised. You look for unexpected today. You will be surprised if you have faith. Your faith will actually turn into reality. This is the card which says perspective. Examine your situation from the higher perspective, and anyone we kind of get heads on in our real life, we fight in your real life in the physical form, we have a soul contract with that person for some learning. So look where you are fighting with people or where situations are becoming bad, and think about what is your soul contract with that person. What can be your learning? Count your blessings. It's going to be very important because blessings will multiply. And these two cards I want to see like this. The first says hope, and they say hope and future. And if you see, there is a rainbow here. And this card says look with the new eyes and create the change that awaits you. Let go of the past and move forward. And I don't have to say much about these cards. But yes, so there is a change that awaits. And again, there is a great potential that this day has. Use that potential to the best possible way. Now I'm going to take out some extra card for you guys. Let's see what is the message. Guides, angel, what is the message? Guides, angels, what is the message for 14th of August? Okay. Beautiful, 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 beautiful cards. Two cards we have. One is Hierophant. Hierophant is the card of inner knowledge. Hierophant is the card of divine connect. Hierophant is the card of connecting with your own self. Hierophant is the card of power. It's a card of authority. It's a card of positivity. It's a card of messages coming your way. If you see, there are lights here. There are lights here. There is a person here and here, and they are looking at this one who has probably some kind of authority, but also clarity. If you see, this person is sitting nude, and in nudity in cards means clarity. You don't have anything to hide. You are completely as you are. There are new portals opening up, and if you see, the head is covered, the knowledge is covered, knowledge is kept safe, the ideas are kept safe. But there is nothing to be hidden. There is nothing to be hidden because there are new lights that are illuminating everywhere. So again, a very beautiful card with a message that you're going to connect with your higher self. You have the ability to connect with your higher self. Just know that you have a lot of ideas. Protect those ideas, but at the same time, be very clear about how do you want to move forward in your life and what do you want to do. And there could also be some kind of message that you receive from the higher ups, from your higher authority, or either ways you take the higher up. The second card is again Awakening. Now again, this is a card of judgment, but this is a very beautiful card. And if you see here, these are the Muse Tarot. Okay, so if you see this card says Awakening, and her heart chakra and throat is basically opening up, and there is a new light that is coming out. The clouds are going away. She's holding on to her heart or throat, and she's looking at things with a very wide open eyes. There are stars, or there is an illumination that is happening on her crown chakra. So definitely there is an awakening. There is actually looking at life with a new eyes. And if you see, the mountains are beneath her, then again we get the same message going above the mountains. And in her throat you can see there is there is some light that is going inside. So definitely whatever you are saying, whatever you are seeing, whatever you're doing, whatever you're feeling, you have the ability to turn that into reality. Voice yourself and know that the awakening is happening. Very beautiful messages, and I hope that again 24th of August bring very beautiful changes, and you get the results of your hard work. You spend some time with your inner child, you move towards future, you look at things with new perspective, and you have faith, and you see that faith turning into reality. Thank you so much. I hope this helps. If it does, do send your feedback. Thank you. Bye bye.